Hello, my friends. Good to see you again. My name is Cathy Yang. Before starting, I just want to say this is not a book I wrote. I chose it because you can buy it on Amazon. The price of this book is about $25. Unfortunately, the weakness of this book is that there is no English translation. I will try my best to help you understand it in the simplest way. Please look at this chord. There is a short dash after the number, which means a continuation of the previous number. For example, if there is number 1, and after number 1, you can say 3 short dash, means 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see 2 short dash after 5, means 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. If you see 1 dash after 1, means 2 beats. 1, 2. If no dash, just 1 beat. 1. Alright, let's start page 15, number 4. Number 5. See you next class.